Good morning everybody, and once again welcome back to the channel. In this particular video I would love to show you how you can develop or create architecture diagrams flowchart in matter of minutes with this Claude Code. Yes, traditionally you would go to draw.io or Lucidchart or Excalidraw and then you would make these diagrams, which is a time consuming process. But we are in the world of AI. Now in this video I'll show you how you can leverage and build awesome architecture diagrams which you can embed in your PPT, documentation, anything in matter of minutes. So let's rock and roll, right? All right. So I'm gonna go to this GitHub repository that is skill driven. Again, this is a continuation video that I've been doing. In the first part, I did some basics, then I showed you sub agents, etc. etc. So now let me show you how you can do it, right? So I'm using CMux. You can use any terminal. If you don't know what CMux is, CMux allows you to launch and manage several Claude Code instances from your terminal much more efficiently. It's free, of course. So I'm gonna launch my Claude. As you can see, my Claude is now ready. Now I would be installing these two plugins. Let me see if I can show you. Plugin Marketplace add OOIYEEFEI/CCC. Okay, so I'm gonna do that. Okay, successful, done. And then I'm gonna install this particular plugin. Plugin install CCC-skills at CCC. Okay, this is the plugin that we'll install. Boom, done. Okay, so now in this particular project or the video, I have bunch of Lambda functions. And again, this is from one of my old videos where basically this is a log processor, meaning it will put a log file on S3 and then it will submit some jobs on EMR or anything in general. So now look at the prompt and how you can make architecture diagrams, right? Use this particular skill. So we are saying, hey, use the skill and generate a workflow flowchart for this particular step function we have. Okay. You can also say architecture diagram. It works fine. And I'm gonna input this particular prompt. Let Claude Code work on it. And now I'm gonna pause the video. Once it is complete, again, I'll resume the video because this will take a few probably minutes to understand the code base and then basically come up with that architecture diagram. So I'm gonna stop the video right here at this point. All right, so it's almost complete. So you can see it has came up with some files over here. I'm gonna say yes over here. Okay, as you can see on my Claude Code. Okay. Now if I go to the project repository, guys, let's see if I can see this file over here. You will see this Excalidraw file over here that is generated, okay? And you can also say, hey, Claude Code, generate that in the doc file or whatever file, right? And now on a new browser, I'll open up Excalidraw, okay? And then I'm gonna drag this particular file over here, okay? So this, the flow, I'm just gonna drag it. Guys, look at that, man. This is beautiful. Start, check if log exists. Can you acquire the log? If you can acquire the log, submit the EMR step, simulate some work, and then end. This is beautiful. Look, man, in just minutes, you got this entire flowchart, which would traditionally, you would have taken some time, right? Okay. And if you would have had to make like a lot of diagrams, then again, it's a time consuming process, but not anymore. Now, let me show you how you can build an awesome AWS architecture diagram with Claude Code in seconds. So let me again share my screen. For this one, now we're gonna be using these two plugins that I found. Plugin Marketplace add MPUIG-Claude-Cloud-Architecture. And then we're gonna be installing AWS diagrams at MPUIG/Claude-Code-diagram. So what I'll do, I have some files, so let me delete this so I can show you because it's fun, right? I just wanna show you, man. So let me start my Claude Code, okay? So I have the Claude Code now, and now I'm gonna say generate the architecture diagram for the step function we have in the project. All right, so I've already installed the plugin, okay? So now I'm gonna let Claude Code generate an awesome, outstanding image for this. So let me pause the video and show you what the result looks like. So it's gonna take a few minutes to of course, generate some artifact, and then based on that, it's gonna generate an image. Just a pro tip for this, you need to install GraphViz. So you can just do brew install GraphViz. And again, all of these commands are there on my Medium. So when you go to my Medium, you will see the first part that we did, right? To generate flowchart, architecture diagram. And then if you want to generate AWS diagrams, these are also the commands that I mentioned. The references from where I read and learned is also mentioned in this project, okay? So let me pause the video right here. Alright, so my Claude Code has generated the PNG image, as you can see, and now I will show you the result of this. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Let's see. Wow, look at that, guys. Beautiful architecture diagram right from one single prompt. So what you have learned in this particular project or video is number one, flowchart diagrams, any sort of diagrams that you want, generate them in seconds or minutes using Claude Code. Even AWS architecture diagram you can generate using Claude Code. So as a practice, what you should do after this video, if you do not know how to use this, the repository that I have, try this on that particular repository, clone the repository, try the prompt that I gave you, and that's the best way to try and learn. With that being said, keep smiling, keep programming, and I will see you in the upcoming next video.